In this video, I will quickly show you how to link your Revolut bank account to PayPal Business. First, open your PayPal Business account on the official website and sign in. Once inside, go to the Wallet section. Now click on Link a Bank Account. Next, choose the option to add a new bank account. Now open the Revolut app and go to your account details to copy your bank information, such as IBAN or account number. Go back to PayPal and enter the Revolut bank details correctly. After that, confirm the bank account connection. PayPal may send small verification deposits to confirm that the account belongs to you. If that happens, check the amounts received in Revolut and confirm them inside PayPal. Once confirmed, your Revolut account will be successfully linked to PayPal Business. You can now transfer funds from PayPal to Revolut or use the bank account for transactions. Always double check your banking details before confirming the connection. And that's it. Now you know how to link Revolut to PayPal Business easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.